Hi, this is Michael Tallis with the Tallis team. I'm standing in front of our latest listing on 2018 Ticonderoga Drive in San Mateo Highlands. San Mateo Highlands is the largest Eichler community in the Bay Area, more than 700 homes. And I actually have a video about living in San Mateo Highlands. The link is in the description of this video. So let me turn the camera around and show you the house. So first is the street. We're actually at the top of the hill overlooking San Mateo, close to 280. And it's a very quiet road. So here is the house itself. Best of mid-century modern architecture. And if you look down the street, you can see some mountains there in the background. Beautiful weather. It was raining really heavily yesterday, and today it's sunny and beautiful. This way we're entering the house. The part of the house on our left is an addition. So the owners added 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And as we enter, first door to our left will be the addition. So let's go to the bedroom that is further down. This addition has higher ceilings and also has exposed beams and decking, just like all Eichler homes. It also has a sliding door to the backyard. And it can be made private. You have a pocket door here. Between the bedrooms, there is a bathroom, shower over tub, and this addition can be used as au pair quarters or a place for your parents to stay, or maybe even as an ADU, because you have a separate entrance to both of these bedrooms. Sliding doors, and you can get there through backyard or through the front door. Back to the entryway. And you see here sloping ceiling. That's where front door used to be in the original home. And from here you can see the space between the bedrooms. As we enter, it's the living room. Again, exposed beams and corner window, so you can see the backyard from everywhere. Eichlers are known for indoor-outdoor living. The fireplace was tiled, refaced, and an electric insert was put in. Hope you can hear the crackling. Open floor plan. Living room is connected with the kitchen and with dining area or dining room. Kitchen appliances are all new countertops. And this door leads us to the garage. Garage was painted and Epoxy was put on the floor. And there in the corner you have water heater and the furnace. This house has radiant heat. If you ever experienced it, it's so nice to wake up on a cold winter morning and feel the warm floors. Dining. And by the way, here in the kitchen, you also can put bar stools. You can have kind of a kitchen counter, breakfasts or snacks. The house is almost 1,800 square feet, and it's located on a larger lot, 8,500 plus square feet, a little over 8,500. So we're entering a bedroom wing, hallway closet, washer dryer, laundry area with a storage cabinet above it. And this way we're entering master suite with access to the backyard. And it has a walk-in closet. And master bathroom with the shower over tub. Hallway bathroom. Very similar configuration with shower over tub. Bedroom, one of the hallway bedrooms. This bedroom also has a sliding door to the outside. Actually, in this house, all bedrooms have doors to outside. And another hallway bedroom. Very similar size and definitely similar configuration. Access to outdoors. And there in the corner there is a closet. Oh. Pretty standard. Let's go outside. Dining area is connected to side yard through this sliding door. It's a great place for parties or play dates. As I mentioned, lot is over 8,500 square feet, so there is plenty of space to spread around. A lot of mature trees here. Continuing on the right-hand side of the house towards backyard. It's very spacious. And there is another patio right next to living room and master bedroom. Eichler made sure that the indoor and outdoors are connected. And from here, you can see living room, dining, and kitchen. There in the corner, it's a shed. Originally, it was built as a playhouse, but ended up being used more as a shed. And there is another, kind of on the side of the house, there is another walkway that connects backyard with the area in between the addition and the original bedrooms. We looked at this area through the window in the hallway. And this way we're going back into the backyard. Hope you like this tour and will be able to join us for an open house this coming weekend. We will be open both Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 4. And if you have any questions about this house or any other house for that matter, my contact information is in the description of this video. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Till next time.